Why are you still like this? Come on, cheer up now. I don't like you in this mood. Sandra is getting married today. Okay, we already know that news. My woman is getting married today. The love of my life. The only woman I've ever loved is getting married to another man. Just because I don't have money. Because I'm poor. Guy, I told you these things. I told you all of this, but you wouldn't listen. Poor men don't get married. And not that you are getting married to any woman. You are getting married to a rich man's daughter. Who does that? All those things don't happen in Nigeria. It only happens in movie, bro. Come on. Cheer up. I don't like you in this mood. Cheer up, bro. Please. Can I call her? For what now? On our wedding day? Just to congratulate her. Just to... Are you okay? Forget about all these things. You don't need that right now. See, what you really need now is just for us to go outside and drink. What if I just attend the wedding? Yes, they gave me invitation. You know I work for the family now. I work there. I can attend the wedding if I want. Eh? Obina, are you okay? Can you listen to yourself? What are you even saying? Come, let's go out and drink. You don't need this.
No, be here, Dikeh. Okay, I don't tell you so my name is Dikeh. No be you give me that name. You not be my papa. Nah. My name is Eze, no be Dikeh. I beg. I don't want you again. Nah. Me, they talk to like that. Maybe if you respect yourself, I will talk to you like that. Nah, me, you don't get moral. They talk to anyhow. Eh? I no blame you. Now our guy blame. Where bring me? Come for let's go to like you to talk to you.
No, they do anyhow. My name is Eze. What you want me to do for you?
Welcome. Where, baby. Come on, go where?
She go to drive car.
Eh?
She go to drive car from my car now. I better leave me at this here.
Wait. You. Allah, go, test car. As what now? Eh? As testosterone. Eh? And you alarm to go test car. Okay, what now? Whoa, can go bring phone. Make a call out. How many times God don't want that girl?
I'm gonna the Ziggy phone. Mba now, I'm gonna the Ziggy phone. All ya.
Wait, it's a dibia. Hey, be like say no get respect. Whoa, can go and find phone.
Go find your own phone where you keep on my bag. Leave me alone. Which kind of nonsense that one? I beg.
Oh, okay. Just borrow me your phone.
My phone no deal with me. Go find your own.
Because just make my phone the charge.
Go collect them there.
Respect. No, dey this workshop again. No. All this small play where me and you they play. You don't get respect. No problem. Now that fault. When you could talk to me anyhow. Hey, hello. Where you carry car go? You go testosterone what? Testosterone. See, I dey give you 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes. Kaka, carry that car, come back here. No nonsense.
You go testosterone. Oh, you people where do the car. Na. So then they testosterone am. Nwa mugu. Kepa. Okay. Where Bube? Hey. Which one is hey? Where Bube? Hey.
Oga Ebube come out.
Go where?
She go test drive car.
She go test. Who send her do that one? Oh, God, na. Wait till I see. Since when Ebube begin to test ride car? Okay, now answer Oga. Answer him. If anything happen to anybody motor for this workshop, now you are go hold responsible. Anyway, if she come back, collect that car key keep for me. Yes, sir. If the owner of the car come, give her the. Make sure so you collect 20,000 naira from her before you give her that key. Uzubo. It is in a new neku. I go do as. Don't give him that key without the money. Okay, I know they do like that. Good. And they go wedding reception. Cha wompa. Happy wedding anniversary. Your clothes to find. Like I say you dey craze. Now wedding reception or say happy wedding anniversary. So sorry, sir. So. Tell her say make give you the money, then you keep the key for me. Then come and service this car. We take over train again. Oga battery no good. Just for battery good na motor tie me I can give this boy. Give you another key wey battery dey good. Another key. Open the next zuzu phone nuku. Oga, what did they do this one?
All these people na go pardon them. Na go pardon them. The tire wey dem send me say make I go pass. All those boys they hold me for road they beat me.
They collect your tire. They collect customer tire from your hand.
Oh God, I fight to even.
Sandra, what is it?
You're waiting for us now.
I need to pee. You want to pee? What's going on? I don't understand. What's your wedding gown?
Wait till you get to church.
But I can't wait. I'm pregnant. You want me to pee inside the car? Sandra, please.
Hurry up, they're waiting for us.
Can you enjoy
lead her
premises? No, don't go with me. I can do that for myself. Are you sure? I can. I'm not a child. Please be careful out there, please. And hurry up. You know they are waiting for us in the church. Please. I'm coming. Don't stay long, Cassandra, please. Come on. Late. Hurry up, please.
Hello? Hello, Mom. Yes, we are on our way. I don't know what is wrong with Sandra. Said she needs to ease herself. We are waiting for her. Yes, we are almost in the church.
She's taking too much time.
You would have followed her now to hurry her up.
I mean, she said I shouldn't follow her. She won't take me. Okay, please, hold, just wait for me. Let me go and look for her, please. Cassandra! Where is this girl? Cassandra!
Good.
Oh my God, this girl, she's disappointed. Did you know? Sandra is gone. I can't find her.
You can't find Sandra.
She has tricked us. She's gone. I said Cassandra has tricked us. She's nowhere to be found.
Check everywhere properly.
I searched everywhere in the bush.
Hey.
Sandra has gone. Jojo, she's nowhere to be found. She's nowhere to be found, Jojo. Hey, God. Hello?
Hello? Hello, Mom. Mom, there's a problem.
What happened?
Sandra is nowhere to be found.
She what? Hey!
Hi.
Hey! Hey!
Woman, what is it? Where is your daughter?
Chief, she absconded.
What?
She has finally disgraced me. Oh, she has disgraced me. Oh. Hey! Cassandra!
Sandra!
Cassandra, where are you?
Sandra!
Cassandra!
Sandra!
Cassandra!
Sandra!
Cassandra!
Sandra!
Cassandra! Cassandra!
Sandra!
Cassandra, please, where are you?
Sandra! Sandra!
Big Sis! Where are you? She isn't ready yet. Are you in the bathroom? Sis! Sis! Sonia! Dad! Mom!
It's our wedding day. 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 My Auntie Sonia wedding. It's our wedding day. 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 Wedding day.
Auntie Sonia dash me.
Auntie Sonia dash you.
Come help me put her on.
And you say may I come back now?
Yes.
As shoe shiner.
I beg you.
It's our wedding day. It's our wedding day. Only say day for rice and stew mood. If not beside day for rice and stew mood, I'm not gonna help you. But you see me.
You know, say me go serve you.
Calm down. If I no chop chicken, I go chop the chicken well.
Easy now.
Keep this your leg.
I won't break my leg.
You get leg before? Hey, Chi.
Basim bomb.
They talk.
I'm waiting now. Wait.
Change my hair.
Thank you.
Not beat me.
Thank you. Yeah, I come.
See,
This one no be your own, no fall. May no follow. If I go with this wedding, I will call my girlfriend. If I call my girlfriend, you know, say today, go get us this house go day. Very noisy. So I go carry my girlfriend, go inside room. Inside room. Which brand I go drink? Any brand. But I go download them like 10 bottles. Chicken, turkey, rice. I no go eat fufu. Na pounded yam. Pounded yam by girl. And we go to like that one. Hey! It's a wedding day. It's a wedding day. It's a wedding day. It's a wedding. What? Chief Benson's daughter disappeared on the day of her wedding? This is ridiculous. How? Look, I told him. I told Benson, their generation is different from ours. Huh? Yes, I told Benson, calm down. Huh? Our generation is different from theirs. Allow this girl to marry whoever she wants. But he said no. Huh? Come on, what is this? Now, before you know it, the news will be all over social media. The caption will be, the daughter of a billionaire eloped with a lover boy on the day of her wedding. Can you imagine that? Oh no. This is preposterous. It's all right.
Wait, sweetheart. Whose daughter eloped? I don't understand.
Chief Benson's daughter.
What?
Yes.
Mom! Yes. Dad! Where is Sonia?
What are you saying? She should be in her room.
Come with me.
Come with you to do what?
Soma, what are you saying?
Dad, no time. Just come with me, Mom.
Why are you commanding us? Why is she commanding us?
No, this is not happening. Why me? Huh? Why me? What will I tell my friends that I invited? What will I tell my guests? My friends that came all the way from US, Asia, Canada. Oh my God. What will I tell my friend, Melihana? Oh God bless me. Hey, okay, tell me. How will Jerry take this? Tell me. Oh my God. Hey, Sonia, you have dealt with me. Hey, what Mule? Sonia Mule, you have disgraced me. This is not happening, no. What is all this, honey? Hey! No, now. This is not happening. No! Sonia, you can't do this to me. No. What Mule? Hey!
So this is it. That is it. I've been thoroughly disgraced by my own flesh and blood. My own daughter. All right.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm going to that junction, the next one.
Now 1,000 on a mechanic I be my use on myself.
No one, let's go.
Oh yeah, more enter.
Sandra, you're not done baiting. Obina, you need to run. Run. Obina, you need to run. North, west, south, anywhere, Obina. Just try and run. Leave this place. Run to where? With which money? Why are you talking like you don't know what's up now? You're just telling me to run. The only money I have remaining on me is part of my salary that was paid last month. What am I going to do with it?
I have enough money. I have more than enough. We can just run. Please, let's go.
Yes, see, I'm going to support you. Please, what is important now is that people should leave this place. As it stands now, the wedding is cancelled. And the only place they can think of now is this place. Please, Obina, you guys should just leave here. That's what is important now. People are just confusing me.
That's right. You will just come here. You know how it is now. Let's go.
People are just confusing me.
Anyway, Obina, see, please, just try and see. I don't know how you're going to do it. Just, please, you should leave this place. But,
Obina, just go with the little you have. Just go.
Only God. No. Wait till they do with customer photo. Because now you cause this thing. You go get my little baby. The right customer must go test run. Go for what? Okay. Oh no. Oga, welcome, sir.
Is she back?
She never come back. Bobo, she go soon reach here now.
Are you okay? Like, I don't understand the nonsense you are saying. How long does it take to test a car?
She will be back soon now, Oga. Calm down.
2 hours?
She never reach 2 hours, Oga. No lie.
Oga, will you just shut your mouth up? Your mouth stinks. For real. Bro, I need my car now. 2 hours for testing the car. I do not get. What are you testing?
Oga, you never reach 2 hours.
Oga, I said shut your mouth up.
See, just shut up. As customer tell you shut up. Customer is right.
Even when you dey lie, you know hear lie when you talk now. Okay, when you don't reach 2 hours, so
okay, shut up.
Okay.
Shut up. Problem where you get you say you sabi speak borrowed grammar. Borrowed grammar for mechanic.
Look, I am not in for this nonsense. Can you please call her to bring my car now? I need my car now.
Oh God, relax. Your car will come.
This man never get patient. Oh guys, see so. Hey. Waste my time not promote on the customer. Imagine inviting a homie to a wedding and the bride is nowhere to be found. Never that kind of wedding.
Anyway, serve Chief Benson right. If you bring a car here, he will not pay me for servicing. This is karma that is playing out in his life. It's karma that makes the blood not to appear.
With your dressing.
Come on, Chairman, well done, sir.
Sorry, sir.
So, Lord of Karma, welcome.
So, my friend, how are you?
Can you please call your girl to bring my car for me?
She no kidding them. Nadozie.
Where is the car? That girl no back come on. Trouble. She want put it. Where is the woman Nadozie? Go Batabesa. Na moto mad Batabe. Yes sir. Walk him talk something now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Omazi aga laugh takwanum na this workshop. Everybody start drama. Kinya moto mad. You know she will carry it and go and see her boyfriend.
Ha! My car?
No. I'm talking to my boy. I'm assuming it's not about you.
You are assuming about my car.
Calm down.
Wait.
You never reach.
Call Ebube now. That before Ne whooping, let that car alive in this workshop. If Ebube does not bring that car, I will kill her.
I will do that, sir.
If I call her with my own number, she's dead. In fact, she's a dead person. Let her bring her dead body to this place. You are too good to kill somebody, but the baby people don't give me 200. Come back for us. When I'm waiting to this thing, here. Man.
How you do, Amaka?
And give my dog here. What are you doing? Will you ever go and look for Ebube? Oga, beg, no
So
test.
they will bring my car for 2 hours.
You can see I'm tired from a very long embarrassment of a wedding. I say, calm down, they will bring your car.
My car!
They will bring your car. Sit down. Get water, get pure water.
Hey, madam, don't reach the junction now.
No, thank you so much. My sister, there is something I need to tell you. Just that I don't know how it's going to sound to you, but I need you to listen to me.
Madam, give me my 1K first. Ma, hold on. Ma, hold my 1K.
Oh, sorry.
This call, man. This call. This guy just want to put me for trouble. Problem with this. So there's Roboto. Big this corner.
Yes. They talk that way one time a day.
Okay, my name is Sonia Peterson. I am just coming from the village. I took night bus.
Hey, we sorry. What do you want me to do now?
I need your help. I need your help. I actually came to see a friend. My boyfriend actually. But something ugly happened last night. I lost everything. I was robbed by some guys and they took away my phone and everything I had on me.
I want to help you.
I just need you to help me. Please.
Call your boyfriend now. Or give me a number. Make a call on my phone.
I don't have his number offhand. I didn't know I was going to be robbed yesterday. Then I don't even have his number offhand. See, I just want you to accommodate me for some period of time while I look for my boyfriend in the city. See, I am not a bad person, I promise.
Until you go back to your village, you don't stay with me. I don't know who you'll be. Who trying to be here?
I understand you. Honestly, I do. I don't know. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't even know where I am.
Go back to your village now.
I can't. If I go back, they will kill me. That is my greatest fear.
Wait. Something just happens now.
You might tell me that. You did this. Hey! You did man. Off your car. Off this thing first. Hey, this guy don't hit me down. What's the man test road? Why just carry some out test road? You did Chris.
Sorry, madam.
You
Sorry,
did
now.
man.
Sorry,
Oh my
now.
God.
Sorry.
Hey!
Sorry.
Okay, why did you hit the car? I'm gonna push you to that man. Sit down. I just want to go test road.
Oh, sorry, now.
This guy
Sorry, I don't know.
Calm down.
I go kill you today. I go punish you. Come go fix this car. Hey, you must fix this car today. Who is the best? Oga, come.
Sorry now. Sorry.
I go kill you.
Please, just calm down.
Wait, tell you to calm down.
Sorry now.
Hey, sit down. Oh, Moga go kill me today. Oh, Moga go kill me today. Oh yeah, now get it and clean it. If you going to work, clean waiting. Bring money. I want to fix this car.
I don't get money.
You want to kill you?
I don't get money.
You want to kill you?
The driver, I beg.
You want to
I
kill
don't
you?
get money, I beg.
Madam, calm down.
Hey, this guy, Moga go kill me today.
Sorry.
They want you the mad. Oga, come fix this car.
Now they keke wa just go carry the work. I beg, no verse, madam, no verse. Sorry, oh, sorry.
The problem is that the phone is not even going.
Calm down. The car is not lost. You don't even know what has happened to her now. Calm down. The car is not lost.
Whoa, Kim, listen. Because I know you are nothing but read my list. I don't care about anything.
I care.
Me, I don't care.
She's part of us. So I care.
That's what you say.
I care.
Because you are nothing but
you have started again. You have started again.
Police comes to Oga and carry Oga and everybody. Is this what you say? You be saying you care.
Now to enter from go look for him.
That's the only thing you can say. I didn't blame you.
Dikeh, let's go.
Police, because this is your fault.
Let's go and look for her. You are telling me again. I don't like this. You always like to blame me.
You are the one that allow her to go
if you were there, you would have stopped her.
Test run.
You would have stopped her.
This is because
go inside and go look for her.
If you didn't allow her, test run is that.
Who is there? Why are you knocking the door like that? Calm down! Who is there? Where's my sister? Where's my sister? Where's my sister? Who's in this house? Where's my sister? I will kill her! Where's my sister? Where's my sister?
No. I'm Sonia.
Yes, Commissioner. Yes, it's me. Oh, you are about coming for the wedding? Oh, no, don't bother yourself. Yes, my daughter suddenly disappeared. No. Not even a slight inclination. We didn't know anything. She didn't give any sign. Hey. Yes. Send your boys, okay? Send them. You have a number. Yes, they should track her line also. Oh, that would be great. Thank you. It's all right.
Hi. Honey, could this be true? What is going on? I don't understand though. What is all this? Why me? Sonia cannot do this to me. Oh, so all this while, she has not been in love with Jerry. She was pretending to us. No, now. Sonia, you can't do this to me. You have disgraced me. Call her and say, dial her number. Tell her I want to see her.
Mommy, just talk. I told you that Sonia isn't in support of your plans. Getting her married. Dad, now this is the result. Are you happy with it? Are you happy?
Wait. Are you by any means passing the blame on me? Did she ever complain?
No.
Did she complain to me that she doesn't like Jerry? Why are you burying me on this?
Why will she complain? Tell me, so you yell at her? We all know that Sonia is not someone to speak her mind. No, she doesn't. She keeps things in her heart. For you to know that she wants something, you must study her. As a father, you ought to study your children to know what they really want.
So you want to blame me for her being an introvert, right?
That's because she wants to please you, Dad. Yes. She once told me that she never loved Jerry and she's not in support.
Please, say something else.
This is not happening, no. I can't believe this.
But she has been going in and out with Jerry.
Exactly. They're in love.
So why now? Because she was forced to now. Exactly. Yes, you forced her.
Who forced her? Don't say that.
It's against her will, Dad. You forced her. She's doing all of that just to make you all happy. Shut up! Allow me to shut up!
I swear to my living God, Oga. No be me carry that ladder come. No be me. I swear, Oga. No be me.
Now, for the last time, Who amongst you orchestrated the escape of my daughter? Who brought Inlada to this compound? Ini!
I swear to God, I was in... Oga, no be me. No be me. In fact, I know they shift when I enter this compound. No be me. Stop now.
Talk.
You dey crazy.
Stop. Oga, no be me. Oga, I swear. No be me. You are saying no be me. You will talk now. Talk. Do you know what I will do?
Oga.
I will call the commissioner of police.
I beg.
Shut up. I should keep quiet. Shut up. I will call the commissioner of police now. And they will lock you up. They will torture you. Then the truth will come out. Now one day.
Oga, I beg.
Talk now.
Oga, I dey patrol. Na patrol night. Oga, no be me. I beg, Oga. Oga, no be me.
You dey patrol?
No be me, Oga.
Are you not stupid?
Jesus.
I said when I'm talking, don't talk. You are the chief security officer of this compound. Are you telling me that you don't know things that come in and go out of this compound? Is that what you're telling me? We are talking about my daughter here.
I beg. Oga, I beg.
Okay.
Ini, talk now.
I'm going to call the police right now. I will call. Where's my phone?
I beg.
Where's my phone?
Oga.
Where is my?
When I fire you, they crazy.
They don't cost me. Hey. Oga, I beg.
Oga, I beg.
Oga,
are you going to talk?
I beg. Ini, talk. Oga,
Liar.
Oga, I beg.
She don't come oh. See, person wey dey wait for things. Na me she wan put for trouble.
Thank you, my key.
Give my key now.
Please look in me, I beg. My fault, I beg. I beg, look in me, I beg. See, they call me. And they rush, they come, and they come. Now one useless keke man. Just come. Stupid keke man, come.
Come what now? Fantastic. Excellent excuse. Good idea. Keep talking.
I swear I didn't lie. And ask this my fine sister. Ask her.
She's not lying. Yeah. She's telling the truth. You needed to see what happened. That was why I had to follow her down here so I can explain better.
Yes.
The keke driver actually bashed the car.
Ogana so glamour auntie. Upon on top of the fact, you not only go away with customer car, you went and buy somebody to come and excuse for how much did she pay you?
Oh, God, no, now, money, how? I don't think you're no, you know me now.
I am telling you what I saw happen.
Talk away.
That was what happened.
You switch your phone so that everyone with a customer will now be here and be ringing on our head.
Hey! My phone! Hey, my phone! Where my phone?
She be in the car.
Hey!
She be in the car.
Hey, okay, my phone, no, wait.
Oh, Oga! Up your bomba. Oga scatter. Bomba mad.
My phone! How this now you cause am? Now you cause all this thing. Now you cause all this thing. Now you cause am. Now you cause am.
Because you are suspended.
Hey, Oga!
Get out of my shop.
I say, get that phone. Oh my phone.
Don't get.
She has been through a lot in just one day. Please just have this.
I don't know you.
Oga.
I'm not coming you. I don't want your trouble. If you don't want Ndabolo to come and bundle you out of this workshop, just get up and leave.
Hey.
Get up and leave.
Oh no. My phone, oh, hey, my phone.
Now, don't see. Bundle this thing out of
Oga, please. Oga.
Madam, my Oga get hot temper. So just this. Oh, do not man put on something. Why you see? I go. Hey, who there? I go boss. It's all in now. Calm down. Calm down, Kopota. Hey! Madam, you see they here. Come on here now. Come on. Hey! He does be grammar. Grammar for motor where you spoil. What can say here? In grammar.
One day.
I'll get you the social.
No start with me.
In grammar.
No why? How go?
Madam.
Ah! Sir, that is the truth.
Are you ready to tell me where they run to?
Sir, I don't know what you are talking about, sir. Sir, I swear to God, I'm not from opinion that you are accusing me of. I'm just opinion's friend.
Did you notice when my sister ran to your house?
Sir. I'm not opinion, sir. I'm not opinion that ran into your sister. Please, let me go. Please, sir.
Are you ready to tell me the truth? Obina's hometown, his village address.
How am I supposed to know that? I met Obina in this place. I'm from Abia State, sir. I swear to God, I'm not lying to you.
You don't know me. I am that rich kid you don't know. I will kill you here and nothing will happen. You have been staying with Obina for the past 3 years. I don't know his hometown. Don't know his village address.
Sir, I swear with my mama's grave, sir. I don't know Obina's.
The truth is in this guy's lips. Let him tell me the truth.
Sir, please. Sir, please, I don't know anything about it. Sir, please.
He said,
Sir, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know that it's problem.
he said local government in Imo State. I'll find out the truth. Jan in Bise local government in Imo State. Worry?
Yes, boss.
Take care of you.
Alright.
Sir, please, sir. But sir, that's the truth. Sir, please, now, don't do this to me. Please, now, you please, now. Please.
Alright, son. I want that boy. I want him. Listen. All of you should do everything possible for your little sister. Yes. Yes. I did not train my daughter abroad for her to come back and elope with a driver. If I get Obina, if I get that boy, I will amputate him completely. The bastard said it. He is from Imo State. For our purposes to be precise. Once I end this call with you now, I will call his local government chairman. Yes, I will do that. That's good. Just go with enough police, man, yes. Go with them, good. Okay.
Have they found my daughter? Ha! Hey! I warned you! To employ this boy, but you will not listen. You like helping poor people, yet they go behind you to stab you behind. They stab you in the back. They keep breaking your heart. Now how do I see my last child? How do I see my daughter? Look at me, chairman, this one chairman, will they bring my daughter? I don't even know where to go and look for her. I don't know when I'll see her again. I don't know all this. Now what is this now?
Are you all tired for all this kind of thing, eh? I don't know the light can. See. Just calm down. Calm down! Let me tell you calm down because I invest for your full self. Only today my phone lost. Today, Keke man, that car, they make I go test run. Keke man jam the car. My oga wey suppose free me next month don sack me. Get who you be first. This why you fail like about wetin dey happen? They send you be witch. What? See, and the verse as I dey, so no dey tell me that rubbish.
Ebube, I am not a witch, okay? I am not. It's quite unfortunate everything is happening today that you met me, but I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I understand your plight. I promise I will keep begging your boss until he forgives you. I will not relent, I promise.
You are playing. They speak English. They speak English. Make your mouth dey run. You wan go beg Oga Frank? Not try am o. He go slap you. You see this your color, he go turn red. Not try am. Do anyhow. First time you say me no follow me come here o. You jump, carry me, follow, come here.
No, I have no choice. I had to keep begging him. I'm sure I can soften his mind. He doesn't have to do that to you. You don't deserve it. It's not your fault.
Morgan need to hear English. Let this English end for where we are, me and you dey. No go there. No go there, go beg am o. I don't know wetin I see today. I just tired. Which kind thing? Which kind problem? Who you be? Wetin make me jam me today?
Please don't get too mad at me. I am sorry.
See, then they talk to me. After they say me no follow me come here, they enter, they come here. I don't know who you be abeg. See, I dey vex. Don't try me o. Back on my down.
I'm sorry. Please.
Say, make I tell you something, oh. No, they waste your time for Ebube. Because that Ebube. No, the yeah, so something. Ebube, they sabi cause trouble for this place. When you talk, she go they booga with her hand. Na me then they do that guy here for. Eh? See, no, be one. No, be two. No, be even three self. They cause problem everywhere. Nah, they will waste your time.
That's not true, madam. Not true. But as that girl don't beg Oga for don't free am o. Oga for don't lock up for him now.
Is that how your boss behave?
Say, this one way they see now, eh? Na part one. Papa part one, oh. By the time we go reach from part 2 to part 10 or even to part 20. As you do like this, you go your body go dey hurt you. You never see our girl. Our girl no dey see you. Your color no dey show for your face, so.
Okay, see, is this someone I can talk to? Someone who is related to him, a wife, a brother, a family member. What's going on? Why are you laughing?
Wait, they make me laugh now. Wait till you just talk now. See, our guy no get mama marriage for this shabari. Yes. Our guy na engine block. Okute. Where they keep for middle of motor. He no wetin be marriage. He dey do anything the way he like am. So make I advise you, just face your business. Our guy no they see you. No, waste your time.
I will wait. I just have to wait for him.
See, madam,
wait.
Go wait.
Even if you wait till tomorrow,
our guy no they see you. Our guy will not listen to you. It's a hard nut to crack. Leave that one. I don't use my calculation brain. Tete no say you no get work. Yes. You no get work. Because if he get work, as a woman they get work. You no go come here. Buy relaxer. They wait for Oga. No problem. Oh. Buy more relaxer. Relax. Relax. They wait for that.
True, madam.
When do you think he will come back?
He's not coming back anytime soon, no. But even if he come, now still the same thing. As he tell you now, so he be. I'm gonna go listen to you. He will not see you. No need, Donald, to go. If not the akara, may you go the fry.
At the age like this, I'm very hungry.
Why are you making for me, Sharp?
Wait, why you don't go work today?
I didn't leave now.
You rewind me. When I can't begin go leave, Abi, you don't work for you company at home.
See, guy, man, no life for you. Me and my guy get small issue. I say my they go house.
Your guy see me, you go house, you agree go house. You know that beggar. Wait, what do you want to use your life? I don't understand. What's happened?
Guys, see, I just tired for that manga. As I go house yesterday, they go my own JJ 9 keke man we God don't punish. Oh, good don't keep bash my car. Car where they say I go test run. I come back, say man they explain to her, and the guy they para in here, they talking here. I leave and walk now.
Why you go leave and waka now? As he tell you you go, you suppose beg him.
You don't know that my oga. You see that oga Frank, you don't know him. The guy is stubborn like me. He like beg that guy from that till then stay, no go gree. If you don't start that vex, just leave him. By the time you don't vex finish, now you go call me for phone. How do they do anyhow? You start to call me, hey babe, do this one, go buy me food, go do this one. My full job now cruise, guy. No mind that guy, just leave him. It didn't tire me, but just leave that guy. I don't get any time available. I'm gonna make you food now.
You sure say nah, I be that man don't do as my task.
Who they worry your papa? You know they man. That one I don't like you, man. I beg you.
Your story no add up, bro. I like food. Give me food to catch up.
I come.
Oh, fuck.
There's no time for questions. Just grab anything that you can. Get your footwear. Okay, let's get our bag. Let's go.
Where is she? Is she here?
What?
Where did they go? Damn! Jojo. Are you sure they're not here? They've gone.
Let's go.
Damn.
Dad, Mom, should I just send a message now?
My daughter?
Yes, Mom.
Read it out.
Okay, it says, don't bother looking for me. I am fine where I am right now. This is the best decision I've ever made in my whole life. And I'm so happy I made it.
Call her. Tell her I want to talk with her, please. Tell her that her mother wants to speak with her, please. Call her. Call her sister. Call her, please.
Her phone is off.
I will have to get in touch with IPO so that we can track him. Now that the line is on, okay? Do you know any of her friends that she probably might be with at the moment?
Yes, any of her friend that lives in Nigeria. Call her and find out if your sister is with her, please.
Jessica. Yes, but she lives in Abuja.
Ah. Okay. Yeah, Frank.
I'll try and reach Jessica.
Oh, you're outside. Okay, wait for me, I'm coming. Let me see the meter.
What if I tell your boss that I want to learn under him? I mean, work under him.
See, if na that thing you dey no for your mind, for forget am. No go work. No go work. Because my oga they regret for where did the workshop. We play wahala for the man.
But to me, I think that man is nice. I think he's a good man.
You think? Be say you no they think well. You know they think well. Baby, you know well. No, you know well. That's why you know they think well.
See, I don't know. I feel that man is really nice because there is something nice about him. Irrespective of his actions, he seems nice to me.
You know why I love you for Calabar. I use Calabar language love you.
They spit on me.
See, make I tell you. Now you won't tell me about my oga. As a under which suburb, where you go no my oga pass me.
Don't be angry, eh? What is that your name again? Oh, Nna Dozie. I heard him call you that.
Yes. My name Nna Dozie. One. So waiting be that your name.
Sonia Peterson. That's my name.
So Sonia Peterson.
Yes.
Your papa they dig pits. We make in the answer so Peterson. That's Peterson. People where they dig pits. He be daughter of pit digger. He's good.
Is it? Morgan. Start the car. Offer. Wait, oh.
Hi. Oh my God, this is what they call a real man.
Start the car now.
Good. We don't get up that. Hey, I don't hear that.
So everything don't be like this.
So cute. Oh my God. This is the kind of man I want to end up with. This is the kind of man I want to marry. Or he's a mechanic. Gosh, I can't go into a relationship with a mechanic. What would I do?
Hey, pack the two. Good. So like this now, this car don't suffer us all day.
I wish my boyfriend was as tall as him. Cute, you know.
Small madam, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. Nobody don't call meeting, come tell us wetin happen. You see, we don't watch belle and watch mouth finish. They wait for wedding rice, but we no come.
Are you insane? Do you have anything to say?
Auntie Chika.
Shut up!
Hey! Finally, this is also perfect. This morning, that's the under this car. But thank God, finally, make her fix it. Make her tell her, make you do, make her do. Good evening, Chief.
Are you done?
Yes, sir. I'm done with it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Give your account details, including the cost of everything. I will credit your account with that.
Okay? Chief. Thank you, sir. I will.
It's all right.
All right, sir. Good night.
Excuse me. Sorry to ask, okay? What is your name?
My name is Franklin Omuzu Dikeh. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, you're very good. You know?
Thank you, ma.
Oh, Father. Franklin here is a professional mechanic. I saw him fixing the cars in a professional way. I think you should use him out for me.
Really?
Yes.
Alright. Okay. You may go.
Thank you, Chief. Good night.
Bye, Franklin.
My sister, please. I am sorry. You know my daughter's case.
My dear, my son has traveled back to the United States. He even refused to talk to me.
What is wrong with our children? Why are they behaving this way?
The way they pretend as if all is well baffles me. Do you wish you never spoke up? Maybe it's because we didn't give them the chance. Chief Benson is going through the same thing. His daughter eloped with his driver.
What is really going on?
I don't know.
I have been searching for true love, true love is hard. I have been searching for true love, true love is hard to find. Love is sweeter, love is good, love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes, you enter my heart, you enter my brain. Your body go for me, see love more. Yes, I see the me, I have been searching for true love is hard. I have been searching for true love is hard to find. Love is sweet, love is good, love is good, love is beautiful. You are my lover. You enter my eyes, you enter my heart.
Okay. Sure.
Bye.
I have been searching for true love, oh. True love is hard. I have been searching for true love, oh. True love is hard to find. Love is sweet, oh. Love is good, oh. Love is beautiful. You are my love, oh. You enter my eyes, you enter my heart, you enter my brain. Ibadi go for me, see love, oh. I have been searching for true love, true love.
Sandra, don't tell me you were lost in after your father's driver.
Shh. Don't tell anyone. We've done it already.
Ew. Are you being serious?
What? I love him, okay? Whenever I see that guy, whenever he comes close to me, there's this joy in my heart. I feel complete.
You finally gone mad. Yes! You're not. A driver? Come on, driver. Come on, girl.
I don't care. We love each other. He's not less a human being.
Okay. I'm going to list the people that are going to kill you. Your father, your mother, Juliet, your elder sister, Jojo, your brother, Bruno, your cousin, James, your husband-to-be, then I. Yes, because I'll kill you. Like, how can you have something to do with your father's driver? Girl, this is so demeaning.
You say that driver?
With all your qualifications, your class, your worth, you bring yourself down to have something to do with a driver? No.
Summer, you see that driver? He is driving me crazy. I don't know why it's so hard for you to understand what I mean and when I mean I love somebody.
I don't even love James. I don't love him, and I've told him this countless times. I don't love him. See, let me tell you something. If I marry James tomorrow, I'm still going to cheat on him. You know it now. Sandra!
I'm marrying James because of my dad. Not because I want him, and not because I love him. I'm doing it to satisfy my father's ego and just to make him happy. That is justice. I don't like him. I don't love him. He's Obina that I want.
I can't even imagine myself having something to do with someone less, like a common driver. Ew.
That is your own cup of tea. Drink it, baby girl.
Serve it, I'll drink it.
So tell me, what did you get for me?
Nothing. Gosh, this is so overwhelming. Girl, stop! What is wrong with you? This is the kind of man I want in my life. Handsome, hardworking, and he's a mechanic. He would have been a pilot, lawyer, medical doctor, heart surgeon, you know, something good. Some you have to get out of yourself, right? Okay, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm good. I want to stop thinking about him, but I can't.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows.
I cannot go to my village. I'm sure your brother is in my town, and they must have gone to my village already. See, we'll just go to my auntie's place and hide.
Is your auntie's place not far from here?
Yes, it's like a few hours away from here. Driver, please take us to the park.
We'll find our way from there.
No. Just direct him to your auntie's place. Oh, driver, please take us to his auntie's place. I will pay. I will pay.
Okay, driver. Just be going, please, eh? Pick up speed. We're in a hurry.
I am sorry, Daddy. I am sorry, Mommy. I am sorry, everyone. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am forced to run away. Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice. I am forced to run away. And there are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag a horse to the stream, but you cannot force him to drink water. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This world is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. This fight is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. Love is not what you think. Stop chasing shadows. What you don't know is older than you. What you don't know. Everything is not about money or personality.
Good morning. Do you want me to repair your car?
Well, I don't have a car. Nevertheless, I came for something.
I will not forgive and forget. Even if I forgive, I will not forget and bring Ebube back to this workshop. So if you like, stand here till 2055. I will not do it.
Sir, please. I'm begging you. Just forgive her. Okay, please. Ebube has been through a lot. And you sending her out is not the best option for her. Please.
Madam, I will arrest you and charge you for invasion of privacy if you do not carry yourself and leave this workshop now. I'm serious.
I will not leave here today until you learn how to forgive and forget. What manner of man are you? What is wrong with you? Let me ask you, if you were the one that Keke bashed like that, would you sack yourself? No, answer me, will you? Oga, stop eating and answer my question.
Are you talking to me?
I am talking to you. What is this? You're the boss, yes, and so? Is that why you have to do stuff? Is that why you have to treat her like that? I've been here kneeling, begging you, and all you could do is ask your boys to throw me away. What manner of man are you? Don't you have heart? You are the boss, no doubt. No one is arguing with you about that. But you have no right to disrespect me. I am a woman and I deserve some respect.
What's your name?
Sonia. Sonia Peterson.
Sonia.
Hmm?
I swear to Almighty God, the next time I will not give you this degree of attention. The next time you walk into my workshop to talk this rubbish ruthlessly.
I am sorry. I went overboard, I'm sorry. But please, you have to forgive her. Just forgive her. There is no big... Please, I am begging you. Okay. It's alright. No problem.
Who the heck are you?
Sonia. Sonia Peterson, that is my name.
Now, Dozie. Eze! Efium! Yeah, now, Dozie. Come on, take this out of here. Madam, you stand up. Come here. Out.
Away! Away!
She told me she was going back to London. But she didn't mention anything about running away from home. Neither did she tell me anything about wedding plans.
Yes, I believe you. But do you really think she traveled out?
Yeah, she did. I saw her off to the airport myself.
And do you think she made the right decision?
Oh, Soma, you know your sister more than I do. She hardly visits me. And even when she comes, we don't discuss about these issues. But I believe whatever reason that made her to take this decision is for the best and is best known to her.
Wait, do you think Jake is behind this?
No. Jake is all in the past. He's past tense. He does not have any hand in this. I believe so.
Okay, I'm going to beg you for one thing. And please, let her open her line so Mom and Dad will be able to reach her. They are so worried.
You don't have to worry about that. I'll talk to her.
Thank you also for having me.
It's my pleasure.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay. Please just take care of yourself, okay? Drive safe.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag close to the stream.
You're not even bothered about your work.
Babe, leave that guy. Now my tools will not get to. So I get my complete tools. I'll open my own workshop. The guy too do a beg.
But that man is angry at you. He's rigid that you don't care.
Babe, I don't care. I don't care, beg. The guy too do. Leave him. When he tired, I ain't go call me for phone. I know my oga. If you don't miss me, you're not tired. He will call me. Hey, be back for now. How far you go now? You know they go look for him.
I'm still walking around the city looking for him.
Walk around the city. But wait, so they stay for mainland and the island. How did they do this thing? My two? My two far. If you won't go down my two, baby, go spend like 1K.
Hey, baby. I still want us to go and beg your boss.
Babe, free my boss matter. The guy they do anyhow. Talk anyhow, they do it. Just again time on a good day. I don't see that man. Die! Leave her and go call me for phone if you don't tire. If anybody don't tell her, you'll call me for phone. Leave her. Who is that? Ew. I see the photo. I didn't come. Hey, my yellow photo show. Hey.
No, I miss you.
I missed you too, guy. Meet my friend, Sonia.
Hi.
Sound not to be like brothers and sisters. But may end the show.
No, actually, she looks familiar. Like I've seen her somewhere before.
Hey, see who somewhere? No, do it.
Where's
Can't be to the worry. So I'm from village. Village Sonia.
I don't think I've seen you before.
Never seen you.
Oh, you know, people can look alike now, normally.
You don't look alike, guy. You don't do well. What's the worry? You can't go stand.
Wait till they walk you now.
Do well.
I beg, anything, you cook anything.
I'll cook something for you.
Please not so much. I beg, 5 minutes.
I come, sit down.
Yes, yeah.
You got well, though. If I not talk to them,
do that now.
They do well.
You see your hobby.
I come. I'm going to bring something for you.
I am sorry, Daddy. I am sorry, Mommy. I am sorry, everyone. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am forced to run away. Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice.
Wow, the car broke down. He's trying to fix it.
Are we still going to get your auntie's place?
Oh, yes. Abroka is not too far from here. So very soon.
It's not better we use bike. What if we're staying here now, my brother or my sister comes here? Let's use bike now.
That's true. Okay. Driver! Let's just settle him and then...
Bad driver, Serika.
I am sorry, Daddy. I am sorry, Mommy. I am sorry, everyone. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am forced to run. I am forced to run away. Cause the choice you made for me wasn't my choice. I am forced to run. I am forced to run away. I am forced to run away. Cause this is not my choice. I am forced to run away. It's not my choice. It's not my choice at all. I am forced to run away. Now I have made my own choice. To whom my heart belongs to. It doesn't matter who he is. He's not a less human being. It doesn't matter who he is. He's not a less human being. We love ourselves. I don't care how you see him. He's my kind of man. He drives me crazy. He made me go low.
Oga partner, finish this work now. Maybe you give me time. Make a couple this man need to give him. I don't get stressed for this thing now. Finish this work on time now. Ah.
Ogami, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
What do you find here?
Ogami, my father don't tire for me now. He say no, follow me come. Now me I run come now, Ogami.
I tell you, man, you carry your papa come.
Ogami.
Oga, sorry. I'm actually the one that initiated the whole thing.
I'm not going to suspend my work again because of this girl.
Sir, please, just have
Ogami,
mercy
please
on
now. Which one be this one? Make you sorry now. This sorry. I missed to do one or two for you. Beg her for me
Oga,
now.
please now, just forgive.
I say I don't forgive you, but you did probation.
Oga, I'm not sure she's really on probation. I'm not sure.
See this girl, you won't carry your witchcraft. Come here a second time. The last time when you come, you carry my teeth, snatch them from my hand, throw away. Now you don't come with your trouble. I go bundle you out of this place, oh.
You throw away my Ogati. I don't go try. I throw away I'm chopping bread. What do you want me to do?
You know, son, no bala. Oh, Ogami, no get sabek.
So you feel speak like her. We will come up for you.
Oga, beg now, forgive am. Na beg we dey beg, abeg.
Hey, oya, find one place, just hang around, but don't touch my cow. Don't do any work for this workshop. Just stay anywhere, make I think. After I don't think.
Ogami! No only you, after you, now you. Ogami, no only you be president, be governor. Hila na.
Hey, come up for here, make I focus on what they do now. Don't thank me, can I come up for here?
Ogami International!
Don't thank me, go hang out somewhere. There is panel! How people go this panel, Peter? How people go this panel, Peter?
What? You want to tell me Obinna is not in that village? I did not see any of his relations. Huh? So where do we look for them?
Obinna's parents are dead. The uncle said that they hardly hear from him. I stuck around in the village for 3 days to find out if they are lying to me. But I found out that they have no business with Obinna.
Where is your sister?
Dad, she's with Obinna. She's with Obinna as I'm talking to you right now. And I suspect that they are planning to leave this country. Obinna doesn't have money. Sandra is going to sponsor it.
There are things that cannot be, no matter you build them. You can only drag us to the stream.
Hello? Accountant. I want you to block my daughter's account. Yes, Sandra. Yes. Till further notice. Yeah, thank you.
chasing shadows.
Why would you do that? You want her to starve? She'll die of hunger. Please, why would you do? Why would you block her account now? Why?
That is a life she have chose for herself. Let us. I don't care.
No, you must care. You have to care. It's our last daughter we are talking about. You have to care. The baby of the house. Talk to your father now. Can't you talk? Why would you support him on this? You're quiet as if you're not even in this sitting room. We're discussing this together.
And now listen. If you are unilateral in my house, dare me. Yes, dare me.
Everything is not about money or personality.
You don't want to talk to your father?
Mom, what Dad did is right. I believe Sandra will return if her account is frozen, and if she's starved, she will surely return.
I laugh in Greek. You're a girl in this house. Your turn will come. Trust me. Dad is doing the right thing. That day, I'll remind you of the same statement you made today. I'll tell you, he is doing the right thing.
Mama, the food is very nice. Thank you, ma.
Very delicious.
Thank you, my son. You people are really hungry.
Yes, Mama.
Should I go to more yam?
No, ma. We're okay with this one, ma.
My daughter, he's my nephew. The late mother is my elder sister. So, can I get you people more food?
Yes, auntie.
Not to worry.
Yes.
So we'll be okay.
If you say so.
This is a very nice one. Never want to finish our food.
Auntie, thank you for the food.
Thank you, man.
You've not eaten since morning. Let's be honest.
And you said you don't want more.
Yeah, it's nice to eat down.
You say so.
Thank you. Baby, come now. Auntie, don't mind. That's what she used to embarrass herself everywhere.
Before you go and eat please. Mama, thank you.
Give me water.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you very much.
There are things that cannot be no matter you build.
Thank you for the food. Hi.
You can only drag us to the stream, but you cannot force it.
Are you serious?
That was how it all happened.
So you mean she ran away the day of the wedding to be with you and not the groom?
Yes, auntie.
And you said you're the father's driver?
I'm actually the chief driver. So, I wanted to plead with you to allow us to stay here until our papers are out so that we can travel out of the country.
Obinna, my house is your house. You can stay here as long as you want. But I'll tell you one thing. And you'll find something doing very soon. You know the country is not favorable to anybody.
And you forgot that we are not lazy in our family. I will look for something to start doing as soon as possible so that small money can be coming in from all angles.
That's all right.
Thank you.
This your story is just like my own. Your late mother rejected my late husband from marrying me just because we are not from the same tribe. So one day we decided and ran away from home. We went to another state. After my second child, your late mother came visiting. She was full of tears and remorse. And when she saw our beautiful daughters, she just blessed our union.
She used to tell us that story a lot.
I know she will.
Yes.
So, Obinna, don't worry. I believe that one day her father will give you his blessings. It's only a girl that knows where her heart belongs. I am so happy she did not end up with that man that would have given her nightmare. All in the name of obeying the parents. I am happy for her. So don't bother yourself. One day the father will relent and give you his blessings.
Amen. Thank you so much, Auntie.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So how is business?
So, we are managing.
I know.
I am happy you're here.
We have come.
Come, you know who go let my friend. You need to look the girl. Fine girl. The girl get passion, oh. Get passion for the job.
You dey crazy, Ebube. And when they make it I say I don't want any woman apprentice again. You alone are big trouble for me. You can't go bring another person. Come, the person will come through your hand. I no want.
You know, sister, I tell you, say you no go agree. The man stubborn where you no agree. Guy stubborn. You no agree. If you like, maybe mama come beggar, you no go agree. You know, sir, bring the drink more, drink am. Bring money more.
Drink am. Carry and go, drink and do anything you want with them. But don't bring this guy here, make she come learn work from my hand again. Before you they drink the drink, they get drunk. Take this thing, go buy me fuel. 10 liters, so I go use to drive those cars.
Well,
do quick, oh. Ebube, come. Oh, you're here, Ebube. Ebube Chukwu.
Ogami.
Ebube Chukwu.
Oga, no deaf now, they hear you.
Ebube Chukwu, buy me 10 liters of fuel, oh. Not buy 8 liters, and I don't want to wait for you for this place.
Ogami, I no deaf, I
go
hear
buy
you.
it.